you depressed people in the world, it's your friend AD again with how to fight depression. Tip number 2. A lover boy came to me yesterday. AD, I don't want to live anymore. AD, I cannot breathe anymore. The girl I loved is not with me anymore. AD, I don't know what to do. I want to die, AD. Tell me what to do. Great question. It's about time somebody asked this question. I gave him 1,000,000 kisses. He deserved it. There are more than 1 billion girls waiting for a lover boy. Offer your services to someone who opens your eyes. Close your eyes, opens your eyes, because everyone everywhere is made for you. EEIMFY. EEIMFY. If you like my video, please share and subscribe, and I will destroy your depression.